Let's start this. Really wanted to time myself today. I've been seeing a lot of comments like, so long, too much work. And I just think, let me just show you guys that you can do this too. Only 2 minutes in. You're in 7 minutes. See, it's not that long. I'm gonna cut this off. When I do my big videos, sometimes people are loving it. Sometimes it really pisses people off and I'm like, I'm just here doing content. And if it pisses off some men in women's business, then do you know what? That's a bonus, really. Add the spray here. We're on 12 minutes now, so I'm just applying my foundation on the bold cap. Wearing wigs has its ups, but let me tell you, it has its downs. It has its down. It's a high maintenance thing. 15 minutes in, straight in with my glue. Does this stay stuck? Yeah, stay stuck glue. I also read this statistic today, guys, and it's like how 85 or 83% of breadwinners in the black homes are mothers. Sometimes I think, I mean, without being shady, maybe if some of the boys that constantly pull down black women who are just minding their business, doing their thing, mind you, maybe they will also be better percentage for you lot being the breadwinners, because women be minding their business in the places that they can make money from. Happy-go-lucky me to do my wigs in my bedroom in my beautiful background, and you just got some addy that is just cussing me out. All right, we're 17 minutes. I feel like we can literally do an install in 40 minutes. So I'm going to let that dry naturally. We're only going to do 2 layers today because, guys, believe it or not, I don't wear my wigs throughout the week. It's maybe 1, 2, 3 days. If you know, you know. This is my second layer that I've just laid down as well. I honestly recommend you guys to prep your wigs the night before. It saves a lot of time for me if I do the hardest bits or the most tedious things the night before. Honestly, guys, you can do it. If you really, really want to do it, you can. Just want to ensure that your positioning is gripped down first. Tie that hair all the way up, girl. Hello. Oh. Such a pop girl. You know what? I don't even care. Use that here and here. We're 22 minutes in. Cool. Start styling your hair at this process. Hot comb in this meantime. 28 minutes. I got a bit distracted on the TikTok app. For like your first initial glue down, you don't need that long of a time, in my opinion. Instantly lay that down. And a lot of my girlies that are wearing wigs are saying the flap, they struggle. Babe, me too. The first place to lift is my flap. I promise you, girls, we're all here on the same boat. 32 minutes in, guys. We're gonna be done soon. Guys, the hot comb is your best friend. You just gotta be really delicate. Oh, I say that whilst burning myself a little bit. Literally just gonna now start using my Got To Be. Damn, girl. Do you see that I did there? Yeah, guys. Really believe that you guys can do anything you put your mind to. If you really want to wear a wig, if you want to change up your hair whenever, change up your color, the length, without, you know, do natural hair. Honestly, you can do it in 40 minutes. Don't overthink it. You've got this. Do you know what I mean? Put my Ebin spray. So this is a really good quick way as well if you just want to be quick with it. So funny because people always be like, well, you can still see the lace, and I'm like, it's a lace wig, so it's never going to be fully undetectable. Do you know what I mean? Last spritz, we are on 36 minutes. If you want in the stage as well, you can add a little drop of your foundation if you still feel like your lace isn't matching and melting properly, like a tiniest drop. If you guys love a little bit you love the club lounge, you love all of that, you want to be my friend, you want to go out and like enjoy those music, leave a comment below because I just be going to these things for myself. 37, we've got 3 minutes, so I just want to pack this up. Anything glue related, laying down related, you are literally done. The actual install took about 37 to 40 minutes, which is kind of average for me. Quickly just penciled my brows before I start them, and I'm just going to take this off. I could leave this on for longer, and this is where we are at. Like, girl, the side's a little bit on the tacky side, but it's okay because remember, guys, we're all still learning here. If you have makeup wipes or rubbing alcohol, I would say any parts of your hair that, you know, there's still a little bit of glue on the outside, maybe some hairspray, I would say just try and clear it off. In the morning. About me, guys, I'm going to have a remix to a song, and it's like any song. I will have an updated remix of it because this is the Clubland remix for Power of Love. Okay, cool, guys, I'm ready. Like, that is it. Oh my god, 39 was Guys, my timer just stopped. Oh, don't piss me off. Oh, that really scared me. 39 minutes. Takes 39 minutes, if that. Honestly, guys, it doesn't take as long as you think. It's all about your prep the night before, and you've got this. Have confidence. So let me show you guys the end result. Makeup done, hair out, and this is the vibe. Girl, you can install that wig in under an hour. I promise you. Just follow these steps.